Are you tired of your soul-sucking 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of creating a passive income from the comfort of your own home? Imagine a life with complete time, location, and financial freedom. A life where you are not chained to the daily grind but instead have multiple income streams working for you even while you sleep. Exciting, isn't it? Well, it's possible through a beginner-friendly, fully automated business that you can start from home. Today, we will share with you how anyone can clone a 7-figure business in seconds. The process of setting up this business is straightforward and can be broken down into simple steps, or should I say simple clicks, because that's all it takes to get started with this exciting business opportunity. First things first, you don't need any previous experience or expertise. This software is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a complete beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed or out of your depth. Step 1, you'll want to get your hands on the software. It's a powerful tool that clones a proven 7-figure business model in mere seconds. Sounds unbelievable, right? But trust me, it's as real as it gets. This software has been meticulously designed to make starting a business as simple as possible. Step 2 involves setting up your business. The software will guide you through this process, ensuring that you have everything in place to start earning. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. And this software is the epitome of smart work. Now on to step 3. This is where the magic happens. The software automates your business. It takes care of the heavy lifting, leaving you with more time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about creating a lifestyle that gives you time, location, and financial freedom. Step 4 is all about reaping the benefits. With the business up and running, you can sit back and watch as multiple passive income streams start flowing in. It's like having a money-making machine that works round the clock, even while you sleep. And the best part? You can replicate this process as many times as you like, creating multiple passive income streams. Finally, step 5 involves scaling up. As your business grows, the software allows you to scale effortlessly, maintaining the automation and passive income. It's a cycle of success that keeps on giving. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to create a passive income machine from home. This software isn't just a tool, it's a ticket to a life of complete freedom. So are you ready to step into the future of business? This is just a glimpse of what is possible. Imagine if you could clone a 7-figure business in seconds, break free from the routine of a 9-to-5 job, and create a passive income machine right from your home. The power to build a life of complete time, location, and financial freedom is within your grasp. Learn how to create multiple passive income streams on autopilot. It's all available in our free course. Don't wait any longer. Visit the link in the description to get your free course and start your journey towards financial freedom today.